Just look at how easy it is taking my baked cake from the cake pan. This is what you want to achieve every time you bake. And the key to that is prepping your cake tins properly beforehand. In this video, I'm going to talk you through my tried and tested method of preparing my cake pan. This method is simple and does not require any fancy tools or ingredients. So you're going to cut a sheet of baking paper as a guide to see how big a square that you need to cut it. You want it to be slightly bigger than the diameter of your cake tin. So you're going to fold it into half, and then you're going to keep folding it in a sort of a triangular fashion as you are seeing here. So here you can see it's a square. I fold it into half and I've created a triangle. And I'm going to keep folding it down until I can't fold it anymore. So the end product you're going to be left with folded parchment paper. Once you've got it all folded, it should look like a triangle shape just like this. You want to put the pointy end in the center of your cake pan and trim off the edges so that the parchment paper will eventually be the same diameter as your cake pan. If you're not sure, you can check if it's slightly bigger than the diameter of your cake pan. You can fold it back and then trim a little bit off. Don't worry if your circle is slightly smaller than your cake pan, it will still do the job. The purpose of putting the greaseproof paper in your cake pan is to stop your cakes from sticking. So we do three things in this method. The first thing is you want to grease your cake pan. So you want to smear a thin layer of butter or margarine if that's what you're using for baking, and you want to coat both the sides and the bottom of your cake tin. As you can see, it's just a smearing. If you use too much butter or margarine, it will melt and that will make your cake oily, which is not something that we quite like. So you want to make sure that you coat the entire surface of your cake tin. Now you can put your parchment paper circle into the cake tin and just glide it and slide it until it fits nicely into your cake pan. And the last step of preparing your cake tin is to add a sprinkling of flour. So you literally just want to have a small sprinkling of flour and you sprinkle it into the cake pan, and then you just turn around and jiggle your cake pan all around to spread all the flour around your cake pan, ensuring that it's nicely coated. And your cake tins are ready to go, and you will get perfect results and easy to remove your cakes once it's done. So do try this method. You're going to love it.